Aloha kako. Can I please have all the 4th and 5th graders up to the stage? Please. And I would like Leilani Friels, Elina Kinney, Maleko Molamans, and Auliki Silva Kaha'a Leiva. Please come up. Just so you know, this is the first year Kahakai Elementary has actually produced a Christmas song for the community. And this is very much a song that is a song about Kona. The children went to makahiki events from their own memories. They recorded their favorite things about the beach. And so the first song that we're going to present to you this evening is the premiere of Mākana o Kahakai. And I'd like to introduce to you first of all, our musician, Bula Akamu, who wrote the music for the song. And come on up, Maleko. Hello. Good job, Maleko. Where is, who else is here? Who else is here? Oh! Good job. Okay, and is Elina here? There you are. Very good, very good. Okay, come on down. This will be yours. Okay.
right, good job, 4th and 5th graders. Whoa, the mic is loud.
Aloha! All a round of applause for the 4th and 5th graders. Ladies and gentlemen, they wrote that song, you know. They wrote that song. Na Mākana o Kahakai. Mākana is the gift. Kahakai means the beach. Kahakai means beach. And they wrote that song, so I'm very proud of them. I'm so glad you guys understand Hawaiian. It's awesome.